Welcome to lesson 2.1 where we're going to learn about unit rate. Most of you have probably heard about unit rate. You should have learned it a little bit in 6th grade, but we're just going to start there and review and make sure you guys are good with that before we move into proportions, okay? So if I have the unit rate is the value of an individual item. So it's the value of one item. So for example, if you have a bag of chips and you're paying $5 for it, you can count how many chips are in the bag and you can calculate how much does one chip cost for the bag. So it's just like an individual item, and then we can find the unit rate by dividing the total value by the total amount of items. Okay, so for example, if I have 8 cupcakes and 16, so 8 cupcakes cost $16. Then to figure out, okay, how much does one cupcake cost? I can do dollars over cupcakes. And I have that where it's, so $16 and 8 cupcakes. So to get it to 1, we're going to divide, and so that would be $2 per 1 cupcake. Okay, so you're just essentially writing it as a fraction and reducing it to 1. The denominator is 1. Okay, so when we find the unit rate, we're just doing division. Now, you don't always have to write everything out. I'm not going to write it out on every problem, but for some of these I will. So for example, 352 pages in 4 books. So I have pages over books, which is 352 over 4, and we want to know, okay, how much in one book? So I do the division, 352 divided by 4, and I get 88. So in one book, there's 88 pages, okay? And then 68 students in 4 classrooms. So for example, when Miss Rojas is getting enrollment done and putting all of you in your classes, this is kind of what she does. She goes, okay, how many students do I have? How many classes do we have? And how many are going to be in each class? So if I have 68 students in 4 rooms, how many students are in each room? That would be 68 divided by 4, and that would be 17. So I have 17 students in each room. Okay, or 24 cans in 4 cases, so I have cans over cases, because we want to know how much is in one case, or in each case. So we have 24 over 4, which is 6 over 1. So we have 6 cans in each case. Okay, so then 144 erasers in 12 packets, so that would be 144 over 12, and you do that division. So you physically type 144 divided by 12, hit enter, and you get 12. So there's 12 erasers in each pack, or 40 hours in 5 days. So for example, this could be, okay, I worked 40 hours this week, I worked 5 days, how many hours did I work per day? So 40 divided by 5, and you worked 8 hours in a day. Or if you have 52 bananas in sets of 4, and you want to know, okay, how many sets of bananas, or how many bananas are in each set, then 52 divided by 4 is 13 bananas in each set. Okay. Then the application of this is sometimes you can determine a better buy. So like I said, when you become an adult, this is a really good application thing, because sometimes you got a ball on a budget, and so you have to keep your costs low. Well, to do that, you want to find out what is your better deal. Like which one is going to give you the most bang for your buck, how much money you're going to get out of it. So if I have 15 markers for $4 and 12 markers for $3.60, I want to know which one I want to buy at the better deal. So which one am I getting cheaper per item? So I have 15 divided by 4, so markers over money, so markers over dollars, and so I have 15 over 4, so 15 divided by 4 is 3.75. So for $1, you're getting about 3 3/4 marker, and then you have 12 over 3.60. So you do 12 divided by 3.6, and you're getting about 3.3 repeating over 1. So your better deal is per dollar, you're going to get more markers with the 15 over 4. So your better deal is the 15 markers for $4. Okay, so then 20 eggs for $3.49. So if you wanted to know, okay, how much is one egg going to cost me, then you're going to do money over the eggs. Okay, so that would be $3.49 over 20, and $1.99 divided by 12, and you're just going to type these in your calculator. So 3.49 divided by 20, and that's let me switch colors, equals 0.1745, and $1.99 divided by 12 is 0.1658. So which one's the better deal? Which one am I getting a cheaper cost per egg? Would be this one, okay? Because the 12 eggs for $1.99, I'm getting a cheaper cost per egg. So for one egg on the first deal, it costs about 17 cents. And then on the next deal, the cost is about 16 cents. So the one that costs less per egg is going to be your better deal. Or for example, if you have bagels for $5.25, you can set it up either way. You can do bagels over dollars or dollars over bagels. It's kind of up to you. I'm going to do dollars over bagels. Okay, so I have $5.25 over 4. So 5.25 divided by 4 is 1.3125, and then I have 450 divided by 3, so 4.5 divided by 3, and I get $1.50. So per bagel, the cost is cheaper on the first one. So your better deal is the first one, because you're getting, for one bagel, you're getting a cheaper price. You're getting $1.30 instead of $1.50. So that one's cheaper. So that's it for lesson 2.1. Bye.